Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to integrate Shopify with your Squarespace website. So in Shopify, you will have to go to the buy button, but first you have to make sure that you already have an account so that you will be able to proceed to the next step. So after you click the buy button on the left menu, and generate a new embed code for your product or collection. Customize the button, then you will have to click copy code. Next, you will open Squarespace and then you will have to go to the pages, which you can find right here. First you have to go to your homes page, then you will see pages section, then you will have to click that, and then you will choose the page that you want, and then you will click edit, and then you will have to click the plus icon and select code black. Then you will have to paste the embed code. You will have to click apply, then done and save, and that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.